Alright everyone, we are back with Glen Velvet Reviews. We are outside and we are going to give this thing a test and see what's up, what's going on, see if it works. You saw me install it. There it is. Mess with this thing and see what's up here. Alright, so wish me luck, hope for the best. This has to be filled, I'm so pissed. I just filled this up. That's gonna suck. Alright, so let's give it some pumpy pumps. One. Looks like the gas is coming in. That's a good sign, right? Alright, gas line is full. I do not know what this screw is. It's the first time I'm gonna mess with it. Alright, so I gotta figure out how to tune this, because you saw this thing is flying off the rails here. And I'm pretty sure that's, I thought, the idle screw. Alright guys, so we are back. I put a spring in here because my package, they should send a spring with this. I don't know why they don't. So I did put a spring in here. I had a, my dad used to save for everything, so he has like crap loads of springs everywhere. So that was really good for that, thanks Dad. But yeah, so I think that was it. And I think the spring has to push this all the way this way, and then maybe it won't spin that wheel like it was doing before. So we're gonna go at this again. I'm not really gonna mess with the idling screw because I'm lazy, but let's see what we can do here. Alright, so you saw how pretty much that sounded or whatever for the video. I'm going to do some adjustments. I do have the filter thing that goes in there, so maybe I will do that because I don't want the oil shooting out of that, because that's going to be kind of retarded. You know what I mean? So that's not going to work. So I don't know, I think it sounds way better. It almost sounds like when I first got it. When I first got this in, what, 1999, I think I got this. When I got this in 99, this is like what it sounded like. It was really low idle, and then only when I used it, it was loud. It was awesome. Obviously, you're gonna have to do adjustments. So we did see what my problem was. The problem was this spring, and note to the company, you guys should include that spring automatically for everybody if I need that in order to make this work, because on the top there is no idle screw. The Walbro that I had, or other expensive ones, have all kinds of adjustments on them now, you know what I mean, and these ones don't. I'll include this little spring next time, because I did not see that in the bag. I would have saw that. You guys did the unboxing with me. We didn't see a spring in there, so that doesn't even matter. makes sense. So, all right, that's it for Glen Velvet reviews on this. To see pretty much it does work. I mean, it's made in China, and it's not like the Walbro or the other ones, but from what I heard, the difference is with these ones that are made in China, it's usually like 1 out of 10 are going to be a dud, and if you're that 1 out of a 10, then you got to return it and deal with that situation. But the Walbros is like 1 out of 100 are messed up, or 1 out of 1,000, so that's why you're paying for the name. It's just you're going to get more reliability. There's still going to be error no matter what on some level, but it's just going to be way less than this. So it depends what your application is, what do you need it for, how much do you rely on it. If your business relies on it, you're always going to want to get the most reliable, no matter cost, because you need to give a good impression to your customers. But for me, with this application, if you're just using it around the house, that's kind of doesn't really make sense. So you're going to be like me. All right, so that's it for Glen Velvet reviews on the installation, pretty much what I'm using it for and everything like that, so you guys can see what's up. If you have any questions or comments, please post them down below. I would love to know. Also, subscribe to my channel. Join me on my review adventures as I try to put up stuff to help out the community, just like I get help from the community. All right, everybody, enjoy. Be safe. I'm out. Bye-bye.